Hi, I'm Dr. Lino Suarez. One of the questions that I get a lot is how I got interested in dentistry, and let me give you a little bit of background on how I became involved in dentistry. As you might know, I'm practicing in the Coral Gables, Florida area. I've been here in this location about 13 years now, and I've been practicing dentistry approximately 18 years. Graduated from the University of Florida with a bachelor's degree in biology and also a bachelor's degree, or I'm sorry, a doctorate in dentistry. Um, and how I got involved in dentistry was when I was younger, about 12 years old or so. I suffered an accident horsing around with some of my friends that I was on a football team with, and one of them actually pushed me into the back of another friend of ours, and where I suffered some trauma to my front teeth. And I ended up with a bloody lip and all kinds of problems. But I ended up going to a couple of dentists. The first dentist took care of some things, but ultimately I ended up in the hands of a dentist that took care of me in a way that really made me feel like dentistry was a special profession. And that inspired me to take a lot of interest. And actually that dentist helped me a lot during my process of getting involved in dentistry. So throughout my high school years, I spent some time in that person's office, and she was able to guide me through the process of getting into dental school. And ultimately, I ended up going to the University of Florida, as I mentioned, and getting my doctorate there. And what really was inspirational is that number one, I was fearful of the whole process. I mean, I needed root canal, I needed crowns and veneers and all that kind of stuff. And at the time, I didn't really realize the impact that it would make on me. But even if I weren't to become a dentist, what it did give me was a sense of that dentistry was a safe profession, that it was a noble profession, and that really was filled with people that wanted to help and to make the experiences comfortable. Because one of the things that I naturally felt was a lot of fear, having to go through dental procedures and whatnot. So these professionals really gave me hope that that's possible in dentistry. To the extent that I took a lot of interest in the profession, and ultimately I decided it was in my nature to be involved in this profession. I feel like dentistry gives you an opportunity to serve individuals wholly, to have relationships that are unique with people, and really make a big difference in their life. I believe that good dentistry will significantly improve the life of any patient, because it could be something as simple as guiding them through taking care of their own teeth, which I think is one of the most important things that dentistry does, is that we're a preventive type of profession. And when you have the right type of professional mixed with a patient that has desire, that it creates an opportunity for that patient to benefit significantly. I have benefited insurmountably from dentistry because of the relationships that I formed, the skills that I've been able to develop. I take a lot of pride in the dentistry that I do, and I feel like I've been able to impact not only the lives of my patients, but also of staff members and my family and my friends because of my experiences in dentistry. I enjoy outdoors. I have a wonderful family that I spend a lot of time with. My wife, Deborah, and I have 3 children, and their names are Samantha, James, and Jake. They currently are 8. Sammy's 8, James is 5 years old, and Jakey is almost 2 years old. We spend a lot of time on the boat, and we like to go do all kinds of water sports. I'm a big sports fan, as you can imagine. I'm a huge Gator fan, having graduated from the University of Florida a couple times. And I like to play guitar. It's one of my favorite things to do. I love to read books, so if you guys have any books out there that you recommend, I certainly am always recommending books. Whenever you come into my office, don't be surprised if I hand you a book or recommend a title. I'd love to meet you, and it would be my privilege to be able to hopefully help you have a better life. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. My name is Dr. Lino Suarez, and I truly believe that life's better with a smile. Thanks for watching.